Hey guys, Andrethefarmer here, and we have some really cold weather coming in. It's going to be like about 30 degrees, might dip into the 20s here. I've got a rack of Namwa bananas here, and I'm going to protect them. So we're going to try to see if we can wrap them up and keep them out of harm's way. So I got to get up on my ladder because this tree is about 20 feet tall. This ladder's a little wobbly, but we're going to try to put a blanket around it first, and then we're going to try to bag it. So let's see if we can get that done without dying. I think this is a nice little cover. This wraps it up very nicely. Back in there. Beautiful. And then we're going to bag it. I was going to harvest this prematurely, but I thought, you know what, let me bag it instead, see if we can protect it and give it another couple weeks, because next weekend, next Sunday, it's going to be 80 degrees. So it'll have time to really mature, and it'll be a better, whoa, all right, leaning a little too much here. Feeling this ladder wobble. We're going to tie that up at the top. See if we can around here. The ladder's wobbling a little bit. I think the dirt's starting to give out a little bit here. We're going to tie this up a little bit tight. Might have to cut this rope afterward, but there we go. We got it wrapped up. We'll see how the bananas do. All right, see you guys. Bye.